Stepping outside of my comfort zone for this one, but we've got some roller luggage from Eastpak. This is a hard shell roller luggage travel companion. Now Eastpak, in case you don't know, have been making bags for almost 75 years. They've been making bags since 1952. They've made backpacks. You've definitely seen them. You've probably owned one. If you don't own one, your neighbor's kid does. They are everywhere. They're ubiquitous. This is their hard shell polycarbonate carry-on. So we're going to check it out. Starting off with the dimensions, this is the small, and this is 55 by 35 by 23 centimeters, and this is a 34 litre. It is 100% polycarbonate. It's backed by an incredible 30-year warranty, which is basically a lifetime warranty. This one here is approved for cabin size for most airlines. Obviously, check out whoever you're flying with before you go ahead and try and bring it on the plane. And this fabric is, well, it's not even a fabric. This material is 100% water resistant, so that's great. On the bottom, we've got these Japanese-made wheels. They have a nice 360 spin. And you know what? They feel pretty good. Sometimes I feel like roller luggage this is the area that they cheap out on, which is kind of silly because it's roller luggage. It's sort of like the key part of the experience. These ones feel really good. There's sort of a very hard rubber for the wheel, and then the motion just feels very fluid. So love that. They roll and they glide really, really smoothly. Some security locks so you can set your own code so you can keep everything in there nice and safe. Love that. We've got a handle on the top with some spring in it. This is a hard handle, but it does have a very nice feel in the hand. I like the thickness of it. I like the smoothness of the material. That feels good. And then, of course, an extendable grab handle as well. And that's a really smooth motion. That pops out with a click, and you can adjust it to several different heights. There we go. And there's also another grab handle on the top as well for briefcase mode. So that's it for the external area, but I kind of like it. There's a sort of sleek utilitarian design to it with all of these raised points here, some extra little attachments to sort of balance it out, create some points to grab it. I like it. It's got a good sound too. Anyway, I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna have a look inside. We're gonna pack it out. So this is it on the inside, and we can see around the edges here, there's an aluminium frame. So that's going to give it some nice structure. They've divided the two sections rather with these pieces of fabric which also have some functionality. And these can click on and off with these little loops here. So underneath on this side, we can pack it full of all of our clothing. So let's do that. Okay. Throw in a rain jacket, a couple of these Rushfaster packing cubes, and then we're going to cinch that down with this clipping mechanism here. So there's some elastic there so you can stretch it out even if your load extends a little bit higher. So that's going to keep that all nice and secure there. That's great. On the other side, we do have this mesh pocket here where you can slip something that you'd want to take with you, perhaps a keyboard, maybe a charger. And that can go in there. And then on the other side, more room for packing your stuff. So I'm going to throw in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 t-shirts, 5 socks, 5 pairs of underpants, Sony headphones, and a couple of books. Cinch that up there as well. So that is quite a lot of stuff. Obviously, if I was actually traveling, I'd probably throw in some toiletries, but otherwise, sort of good to go there. And closing it up, there you have it. That is the Eastpak Resist'r Case in small. Now, it does come in a bunch of other sizes and some pretty cool colors. This is obviously the black. This is the medium one, and this is that fire red. It's a gorgeous red. It is a hell of a lot bigger than that one. This one is 63 litres, quite large. 63 litres is absolutely enormous. You could use that for 2 people. And if you can still see me, this is the large one, and this is a whopping 90 litres. So really big, lots of space. And on the inside and outside, all of these are the same. So that's the Eastpak Resist'r line of cases. I think they're really cool. I like the sleek design. I like that they come in a bunch of colors, that they're so tough with the polycarbonate, and that they're not doing too much on the inside, so you can essentially just pack it full of whatever you need and off you go. So if you're interested in traveling with a roller luggage, then I recommend checking out Eastpak. Everything that we've discussed in this video is in a link down below, so check it out. Helps us out a lot on the channel. But in the meantime, what is your favorite brand of roller luggage? Do you have roller luggage that you use? Do you pair it with a backpack? Tell me how you travel. Until the next one, take care.